electric cat. Why is B blue? Well, I'm electric. B, what happened to my touch you? B, why you did the electric? Well, you, something like that, like this. Guys, you're in the Pixar colors. Actually, we are not. By the way, you are black now. I'm not showing on. Wait, what? Didn't you hear? It's a big dumb way Pixar colors by be continuing. Hey, what is it, Jay? Have you seen her lately? Actually, I haven't. Huh? Well, that explains a lot. What? Whoops, wrong number. There, much better. Cut, we have another different number. Come on, why do we have to keep different numbers every single time? 3? Oh, I'm just B's replacement because B is a Baskin Robbins with C and H. Hello and welcome to Baskin Robbins. What do you like to order? Yes, we'll like the ice cream line. It's cream, please. Okay, it's coming right up, but the food will be here shortly. More waiting every time. Anyways, after B comes back, we'll do take 14. Are you serious? Cat? Now who's speaking out? Well, my name is T, and I'll be the producer. Okay, T, you can be the producer, and I will do take 15. Ugh, seriously? Cat, the subtext is extra ultimate overrated. First the way text and now the subtext. Come on, how is this even possible? Guys, I don't mean to interrupt, but subtext is about to pop with orange juice. Washing every time. Let's go to the next take, which is take 16. Cat?
Why is there the year number 2026 on top of the logo? And why is there text underneath the logo that says the Great Bean Reset is here?
Well, we need it is because it's New Year's Eve of January 1st.
Well, not only is it New Year's Eve, but I heard they said the Great Reset is here. And which means no more Blade Rider ever. There's a good old nostalgia memes from 2010. Yeah, with the Great Reset is happening, which means 2026 can be the greatest year ever, and may have still a chance to build a recovery factor in railroads and make the game champion famous.
Wow, I didn't know about today's New Year's Eve, and also Happy New Year, everybody. Well, anyways, let's go on to the next take, which is take 18, people. Well, wait a minute, guys. We made a television blooper. Wait a minute. The parents are looking at us. Yeah, you. That's the parents' TV. Are those parents? Yes, eh? Are those parents? Well, attention and touch our screen. Are you crazy, eh? That's the parents' TV. Don't worry, R. If you will just fine. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, you broke a TV. I'm not sure that's a TV broken. Oh my freaking gosh! Hey, you are a broke TV. Let's go out to take 19 now. Ah, gee whiz, Scott! What are all those entertainment letters or Subway doing here?
Oh, oops. We didn't mean to.
It's okay. Let's just wait for you guys to leave the studio and then we'll do take 20. Hold on. Cat, what was that music it's playing at the background? Whoosh. It was just playing on the Western Woods 2005. Well, that background is not supposed to be here. Well, anyways, take 21.